everybody? We are just leaving Lockheed Martin here in the Santa Cruz Mountains. We're gonna take a ride down Empire Grade, which is this road here. Not go all the way down, but go to Felton Empire, and ultimately the destination is Hallcrest Winery. We're gonna get some spiked cider and maybe some wine, I don't know. But yeah, Lockheed Martin. I just got back from an air show in Sacramento, where you can of course see some of the stuff that they develop. Don't know if they're developing that stuff here, but to the left here is Jameson Creek. You can take that to Boulder Creek, a little backway mountain road to Boulder Creek. I've had to take it when Highway 9's closed in certain points. Maybe Lockheed Martin will let me use some of their drone footage. But yeah, like many places around here, this used to be a mining company up here in the 1850s. If you take Empire Grade all the way, you will go right by UCSC. There are actually some caves that you can go crawl around in. There's a decent little view there. I've never actually been to the caves. They're pretty tight, pretty dark. It's not like a national park type of setting. You just kind of go at your own risk, I believe. This is the conservation camp. Apparently they train inmates here to fight fires. Kind of cool. I was once driving down this road with my dad in his old Volkswagen Jetta when his wheel fell off. That wasn't a great situation. Here's a Christmas tree farm. Again here on the left. Can't remember what that one's called. Something Crest, I believe. Might say it right here. Crest Ranch, Christmas Tree Farm. Need to get your Christmas trees. This is a pretty good road for either a dual sport like this or a sport bike road. Would be fine too. It's nothing too wild and windy. There's a couple of decent sections a little further down near the UCSC campus kind of area, but we won't be going that far. popular road. That will take you to Ben Lomond, right in between Felton and Boulder Creek. Pretty similar to Jameson Creek Road. Tight little windy jaunt right down to Ben Lomond. Lots of beautiful ranch homes here. Not a cheap place to buy a ranch, I would say. Pine Flat, I believe you can take that to Bonnie Doon Road. That will take you all the way down to Highway 1, fairly close to Davenport. There are also some good mountain bike trails up off of this road. I believe Red Mailbox starts up off this road somewhere. Here is Felton Empire to the left, where we'll be going. To the right would be Ice Cream Grade. That's a rough little tight road, but quite good for a bike like this. I believe that one leads you right back over to the conservation camp, if I remember correctly. But this road here will obviously lead you right back down to Felton. And right outside of Felton is Hallcrest Winery, where we are headed. Semi-popular mountain road, as you can see. You want to go up there? And here we are, Hallcrest Winery.